According to South China Morning Post report, scientists in China have discovered a surprising solution to protect drones and missiles from laser attacks. An experiment showed that a common low-cost resin showed promise in protecting such weapons from being damaged by laser weapons. Samples coated with the material remained intact after being blasted by a weapons-grade laser beam for 15 seconds with a power density of 500 watts per square centimeter, far more intense than what is required to destroy an unprotected ballistic missile. In their experiment, the researchers applied 2.5 millimeters of coating that was mostly made of boron phenolic resin (BPR), a composite material widely used in hot and high-stress environments. BPR is also inexpensive. In recent years, the average price of the resin has dropped to as low as $1 per kilogram.